Hi everyone and welcome back to Accordion Joy. I'm Nicola and in today's lesson we are diving deeper into the left hand. You'll learn basic left hand patterns using major and minor chords, how to combine bass notes with bellows movement and practice switching between C and G chords. Let's get started. So the left hand bass are not for the single notes only, they are also used to play chords. Today we'll focus on major and minor chords. To play a major chord, start by pressing the root note with fourth finger, that's your C, so that's your anchor point, and the major chord button with the third finger, which is usually located diagonally and to the left of the root. So again, if you have the fourth finger on the C, if you go diagonally this way, this is C major. Only in this case we're gonna use the fourth finger. So fourth finger on the C, third finger on the C major. For minor chords, start with the same root note, so the C, and press the minor chord with the second finger, which is directly to the left of the major chord button. As you see, my hand is a little bit diagonally, it's not vertically like this, it's diagonally. Okay? C major, C minor. Alright, now let's add some bellows movement. So play the C bass note while gently pulling the bellows outward, then switching to the C major chord while pushing the bellows inward. This creates a dynamic, flowing sound. So start with the fourth finger on the C, open the bellow and hold it. Alright, now we need to play C major inward. Make sure the bellows pressure stays even so the sound doesn't waver. And do this exercise a couple of times. Open on the C, close on the C major. You can combine the same exercise with the C minor chord. So open with the C on the fourth finger and close it with the second finger, C minor. Do it a couple of times until it gets natural. Let's practice switching between C and G chords. This exercise will help you build muscle memory and smooth transitions again. So play the C bass note, short this time, and then play the C major. And repeat this sequence twice. Alright, move to the G bass and G chord. So you just from this position, from C and C major, go one tone up. Just slide, don't jump, don't like jump with the fingers. If you are with the fourth finger on the C, just slide one up. So, in this case, we're gonna do the same exercise. We play G, D major, D major. Now let's alternate. So, playing the same exercise. So C bass, C chord, C bass, C chord, C bass, C chord, G bass, D chord, G bass, D chord. Keep the bellows movement consistent and steady. Take it slow at first, so accuracy is more important than speed. As you get comfortable, try increasing the tempo gradually. So we're gonna do the exercise again in slow tempo. You've done a fantastic job today. Practice these left hand patterns daily, focus on smooth transitions and even bellows pressure. Once you feel confident, try adding more chords like F major to expand your repertoire. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to mastering the accordion. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. I just wanted to add one thing. You can download the bass chart to get an overview of all basses on your accordion. Using this chart can help you see not only the ones we use in today's video, but also where all other basses are located. You can download it in the attachment of this video. And so that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing these left hand patterns and explore combining them with the simple melodies. I'll see you in the next lesson.